Hello and welcome back to Nexodus Tutorials. Let's explore another section of the panel that our team put a lot of work into, floor plans. You can now see a preview of each floor plan from the inventory list. Clicking on any of them also opens a split screen. The left side lets you visualize your floor plan and its items, while the right side lets you browse through all contracts, proposals, bookings, and items linked to the floor plan. As with any page on version 3, you can undock the navigation menu to have more space, and move the center bar to adjust the size of each side. If you look at the top left corner of the page, you'll notice that we added a date field to let you check the floor plan availability for the current day. You can also select any past or future date and see availability for that day. For example, if we select February 1st, we can see that one of the floor plan items is red, meaning that this desk was either booked or contracted that day. In this case, you can see a 1 in the Contracts tabs, meaning that this desk was assigned to a contract that was still active on February 1st. If we check the floor plan on February 3rd, we can see that the desk is no longer part of a contract, but that another floor plan item was booked that day. If we have a closer look at the Items tab, clicking on any of the listed items also instantly highlights the item in the floor plan view for easy browsing. Check out the next video to learn more about floor plan items and contract units in the latest version of the admin panel.